Hello everyone, this is Win Financial and Volatility Markets. If you are new to this channel, I think the first thing is to subscribe, like and share, even comment, because the video we do here is automatically giving you freedom, financial freedom. Right now, I'm trying to help a lot of people in Africa, Nigeria, Ghana or Kenya, Egypt, in order to give them financial freedom. How does it work? Someone will be asking, how possible is to make money is hard. I've tried many ways, it's not working. Do you know that you can start making money without doing anything? Just with your smartphone and internet connection, you can start making good money. I'm going to teach you in this video. Okay, there are two things you need. You need a link to a website that will help you make this money, and you need a strategy, a simple instruction. But for you to get that simple instruction, you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel. When you have done that, you have to share my video to at least just share it to your social network, your WhatsApp, your Facebook, and send me a screenshot of that. In my Telegram channel, you will see my Telegram channel in the description of this video. And the next thing you need to do is you have to sign up to that website. You will see the website link in the description of this video too. You have to sign up, get an account with your email address only. Put your email address and your password. You will create your account. You will be given a free $10,000 to do what? You will be given a free $10,000 to learn the instruction. Then, after learning the instruction, which I will give to you after you have sent me screenshot of your share of this video to your friends, and also the screenshot of email message this company sent to you when you register, then I will send you a simple 5-minute video course teaching you how to create your account, how to deposit a couple of few dollars and grow it to thousands of dollars over time, and how you are going to be cashing out on daily basis. So to get started, let me show you a simple thing how this thing works, like how to, because what you need is to see that this is really working. So let me show you. It's very simple. The chamber of success. This is the chamber. This is the altar where you make the money. See, this is an application called MetaTrader 5. Okay, this is the market called Cash 1000 Index. It is only this market that I want you to be trading. With this market, you will buy your car, you will build your house, you will marry, you will travel around the world. All you need to do is to obey my instruction. So, what is the instruction I have told you? You have to, first of all, come to this my YouTube channel, Win Financial and Volatility Market. Make sure you type it. You have to come here. When you come to this my YouTube channel, Win Financial and Volatility Market, this is it. You see, this is Win Financial and Volatility Market. Are you getting? You have to come here. Are you getting what I'm saying? You have to come here and you have to hit the subscription button. When you have done that, you know you are good to go. You have to click the share button. You have to do a lot of things, man. You have to do it. You have to like my video. You have to like it, and you have to turn on the bell notification. Okay. Now, when you have done that, just any video you see in my channel, go to the description of the video. Let me show you what I mean. This is what I mean. If you are watching this video from Egypt, comment "I'm from Egypt." If you're watching from Kenya, comment. If you're watching any part of the globe, comment, because I'm gonna do a special video in your region to help you make huge money here. This is real legit. So when you come here, you will see Telegram channel. Click on the Telegram channel to join my free Telegram channel, where you get proper education of how the overall system works. Then you will see join our broker. Click on that link. When you do that, send me a screenshot of the email the broker sent to you, and when you get the account to your email address, they will send you an email confirmation. Send it to me, and send me screenshot of where you share the video I'm doing right now to your friends. Okay, you can share it on Facebook, share it on WhatsApp, share it on Telegram, Messenger. Oh my God, this is crazy. You are not paying me anything, I tell you. Now when you have done this, okay, then I will coach you and guide you on how you are going to download this application, this MetaTrader. Then I will tell you how to log in into this, like the account you created on the website. I will tell you how you are going to log in into the account from this app, and I will tell you how to add cash 1,000 and how to buy it and start making money. Okay, now I will tell you how to withdraw your first withdrawal, like you turn your $10 into, let's say, $10,000. It's possible. I will tell you how you are going to withdraw it. And the only thing you need to do for me is to thank me. I'm not asking you money. Just thank me by subscribing, by sharing, by liking, and turning on the bell notification. Okay, I hope you are getting what I'm saying. Okay, we are going to go back. You can see we have already made $2,000 plus, so this is huge. Okay, I'm going to end this video. To recap the whole thing, come to my YouTube channel, subscribe, like, and go to the description, click on my Telegram channel, join, then click on join our broker, create an account with the broker. After creating an account, send me a screenshot of the email the broker sent to you and the screenshot of how you share this video to your friends. Then after, I will send you a video course, about 10 minutes video course that will automatically help you start making this money. And all you need to do is to do what I have told you. You are not paying me any money. We are making money. What gives us joy is that you are making money. So that's good. That's good. You are welcome to Win Financial and Volatility Market. It is an altar of money making systems. It's an altar of money making machine. So thank you for being with me. I want you to remain successful and focused. Bye for now.